Wooden crafts possess an intrinsic charm that can transform any environment into a warm, inviting space. The tactile nature of wood, combined with its rich textures and natural patterns, makes it an ideal medium for a wide range of projects. When crafted with care and creativity, wooden items not only serve practical purposes but also become cherished additions that enhance the aesthetic and emotional value of their surroundings. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. At the heart of wooden crafts is the deep-rooted connection humans have with nature. Wood is a natural material that has been used by artisans for centuries, and its inherent qualities resonate with many people. When designing wooden pieces, artisans can draw inspiration from the organic forms and patterns found in nature. This approach not only enhances the visual appeal of the crafts, but also fosters a sense of tranquility and harmony within a space. For instance, a handcrafted wooden bowl, with its smooth curves and unique grain, can serve as a stunning centerpiece on a dining table. The bowl's beauty lies in its imperfections, each swirl and knot telling a story of its origin. Such a piece invites interaction, encouraging families and friends to gather around, filling it with fruits, snacks, or decorative elements, thereby enhancing the communal experience. The act of crafting itself can also imbue wooden projects with a sense of personal significance. For many artisans, woodworking is not just a skill, but a form of self-expression. Each piece created carries a part of the maker's identity, philosophy, and values. This personal touch can transform a simple wooden item into a cherished heirloom. For example, a handcrafted rocking chair can become a beloved family piece, passed down through generations. It embodies memories of quiet evenings spent reading or chatting, making it far more than just furniture. When a family invests in a piece that has been crafted with intent and care, it fosters a deeper emotional connection, solidifying its place in the home. Moreover, personalized wooden crafts can serve as meaningful gifts that resonate deeply with recipients. Imagine a customized wooden photo frame, meticulously carved and finished, designed to hold a cherished memory. Such a gift transcends mere material value, evoking emotions and memories every time it is seen. By incorporating names, dates, or significant quotes into the design, the artisan can create a unique piece that celebrates relationships and milestones. These personalized items often find a special place in homes, becoming focal points in living rooms or bedrooms and serving as constant reminders of love and connection. In addition to functional items, decorative wooden crafts can enhance the aesthetic appeal of any space. Wall art made from wood can add depth and texture to otherwise blank spaces. A beautifully crafted wooden wall hanging, featuring intricate designs or abstract forms, can serve as a conversation starter, drawing attention and admiration from visitors. This kind of art not only beautifies the environment but also reflects the personality and taste of the homeowner. By selecting designs that resonate with one's values or interests, such as nature motifs or geometric patterns, artisans can create pieces that harmonize with the overall decor while adding a personal touch. Furthermore, the versatility of wood allows for the creation of multifunctional pieces that can adapt to various needs within a space. A wooden coffee table, for instance, can be designed with storage compartments or even as a lift top, providing both beauty and practicality. Such designs encourage organization, making it easier for families to keep their living areas tidy while still enjoying the aesthetic benefits of natural wood. When crafted with thoughtful consideration, these pieces not only serve immediate functional purposes but also contribute to a more organized and serene environment, enhancing the quality of life for those who use them. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Crafting wooden items can also play a significant role in promoting sustainability and eco-friendliness. As consumers become more aware of environmental issues, there is a growing demand for sustainable products. Artisans who use responsibly sourced wood or reclaimed materials create pieces that resonate with eco-conscious buyers. A coffee table made from reclaimed barn wood, for example, carries both history and character, connecting the owner to the past while reducing waste. This commitment to sustainability can transform a simple wooden piece into a statement of values, reinforcing the notion that beautiful, functional items can also contribute positively to the environment. Incorporating natural elements into wooden crafts can further enhance their appeal. Adding live plants or moss to wooden planters or shelves can create a biophilic design that fosters a sense of well-being. This blend of wood and greenery not only beautifies a space, but also improves air quality and promotes a connection to nature, even in urban settings. A handcrafted wooden planter, filled with vibrant plants, can serve as a focal point in a living room or office, creating a calming atmosphere that encourages relaxation and productivity. The sensory experience of wooden crafts cannot be overlooked. The warmth of wood, its distinct scent, and the way it feels in one's hands all contribute to the emotional connection we form with these items. A handcrafted wooden spoon, for instance, can enhance the cooking experience, making it more enjoyable and meaningful. When a chef uses a beautifully crafted wooden spoon, it not only serves its purpose, but also becomes a part of their culinary journey. This connection to the act of cooking, combined with the aesthetic pleasure of the spoon, transforms it into a cherished tool rather than just an ordinary kitchen item. In addition, wooden crafts can play a pivotal role in creating a sense of place and identity within a home. Items that reflect local craftsmanship or cultural heritage can evoke pride and a sense of belonging. For instance, a wooden carving that reflects local wildlife or traditional craftsmanship can serve as a reminder of one's roots and heritage. Displaying such pieces in prominent locations within the home can foster a sense of history and connection to the community, making the space feel more personal and meaningful. As artisans explore the possibilities of wooden crafts, they can also consider the emotional resonance that these pieces can create within the broader context of life events. Whether it's a beautifully crafted wooden cradle for a newborn, a commemorative plaque for a significant achievement, or a decorative box to hold keepsakes, these items become milestones in life's journey. They capture moments and memories, solidifying their place as cherished possessions in any environment. Wooden crafts offer endless possibilities for creating cherished additions to any space. Through thoughtful design, personal touches, and a commitment to sustainability, artisans can craft pieces that resonate deeply with individuals and families. From functional items that enhance everyday life to decorative pieces that tell stories, wooden crafts enrich our environments and foster connections to nature, community, and each other. Each handcrafted item carries the potential to evoke emotions and memories, transforming it from a mere object into a beloved part of our lives. As we embrace the beauty and versatility of wood, we invite warmth, character, and meaning into our homes, making each piece a treasured addition to our personal narratives. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.